Today we are making a simple and wholesome whole wheat bread using just a handful of ingredients. Let's get started. Start with 250 grams of whole wheat bread flour. Add 6 grams of yeast, 6 grams of salt, 13 grams of cane sugar. Now add 15 grams of softened butter. Pour in 150 milliliters of warm milk. Keep mixing until a rough dough forms. Just a quick note, different types of whole wheat flour absorbs liquid differently, so you might need to add a bit more milk during mixing. If the dough feels too dry or crumbly, add extra milk, a teaspoon at a time until it comes together nicely. Now lightly flour your workspace. Knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic, about 8 to 10 minutes by hand. Now transfer the dough into a bowl, cover it and let it rest for 20 minutes. For this recipe, I'm keeping it as oblong loaf. But if you prefer, you can follow the same shaping steps and place the dough into the bread pan instead. Now place the dough onto a baking tray, cover it and leave it to rest for 1.5 hours. Preheat your oven to 240 Celsius. Now take a small baking tray and pour some hot water into it. Carefully place this tray at the bottom of your oven. This creates steam, which helps the bread rise better and give it a lovely hard crust. You can also take a lame or a sharp knife and slice the top of the dough. This step is optional. Now carefully place the dough into the oven and immediately turn the temperature down to 190 Celsius. Let it bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until it's golden brown. Enjoy!